All right. Thursday, November 13th. We got a little bit of VWAP confluence on the monthly and the weekly. On the monthly VWAP, we're just barely above VWAP. And then on the weekly, we're just barely below the VWAP. So just a bit of confluence there. Friday high, 6,900. Friday low, 68.52, which we are currently trading below. So seeing as we're trading below Friday low, today has the potential to be a short bias day. But we shall see. Here's the open. I want to make sure I have the right quantity selected. And we're off. Here's the opening range. Below overnight low here at 41.50. Pulse check short, 42.50. I would probably take it out there for the point. So we'll call that a good pulse check. We do have some news today, something to keep an eye out on. Pretty strong move up into opening range. I'm going to take the short at 44.50. Bit of an uptrend developing there. I took it off for a 3-tick loss. Might have been a little premature, but that's okay. And it looks like that was a good cut. So, piece of information there, we breached overnight low by about a point, and now we are trading back up, at least for the time being. And we are still below the VWAP -1. Downtrend to short here. I'm going to try a short at 45 even. Take it off of 43.75 for a 5-tick win. Short continuation. A little bit of an aggressive trade, but I think the signals were aligned there for at least a momentary breach to the downside. That being said, though, I am a little bit more hesitant on shorts now since we are accepting up here. The reason I took that trade was because I was expecting a continuation lower, which we did not get. We got a temporary continuation lower, which was enough for me to get a good trade-off. But now we seem to be trending higher. We just tested the opening range high with a little double top there. Trend could be changing. I'll take a pulse check long here at 46.50. And it looks like that would be coming back against me here. Might be able to hold it. Let's see. But no, that would be a losing trade right there. Probably a 5 or 6 tick loss. So it's important when the trend shifts like that. I don't want to be the first person to trade it. I want to take a pulse check first and just ensure that we are in fact establishing a new trend. We got another ATR candle to the upside here. I'll try the long at 45.50. It's accepting against me. I took it off there for I think a 5 or 6 tick loss. I was hoping for a quicker continuation there. And I'm going to lay off the gas a little bit here because I have had 3 trades in the first 5 minutes. And I am in no rush. Especially since, I've tried to trade a short trend continuation and I've tried to trade a long trend continuation and neither worked, which means that there is no trend here, at least not yet. So as long as we're chopping around in this area, I do not want to take any more trades. I want to see us get some more distance here. We are breaching the bottom end of the range here, down below overnight low, below prior day low, and we've got some decent reclaim below us. So let's see if this can continue. We do have a nice reclaim above us at 40s that could turn into a resistance area, so I will look for ATR candles to short for the continuation. Fair bit of volatility today, which is nice. Let's keep an eye out on news. I don't think we have any news until after 10 o'clock. Looks like it's trying to put in an ATR candle to the upside here. Let's wait to see if it does. ATR candle down. I'm going to try shorting 32 for the continuation. I'm actually going to pull that because now that I look at it, there was a lot of delta on that move down, which means these shorts could be getting squeezed temporarily. And it looks like that was a good call. I've got an ATR candle up. I'm going to try the short, and it didn't fill, unfortunately, but I'll count that as a good pulse check. We got an ATR candle down. I'm going to try shorting 33. I've still got this order resting here because I do think this could be a setup. Let's see if I get the fill. We are turning these reclaims into resistance, so that may be useful information for later in the day. Almost got the fill there at 32.50, but not quite. There's the fill, 32.50. It's pulling back on me quite a bit here, and it's accepting, so I'm going to pull that off for a loss. I think a mistake there was resting too long. I think by the time I did get filled, the setup was unfortunately over. That being said, the idea seems to be working. We are continuing to the downside. My entry was just a little premature, and that entry was premature, as I mentioned, because I was resting instead of reacting to the orders. Useful information, though. The nice thing about, making these mistakes is you learn from them. You know not to do it again. Lots of volatility here as we continue to the downside. We did put it in an ATR candle, but I do not want to short it because we put in so much sell side delta that it could get squeezed. So I think green ATR candles are the move for today. Let's just wait and see if we get some. We almost put in a green ATR candle there, but it was a wick. It sucked back down too quick, which means it is not a setup for me. That being said, though, these peaks are working. Those are good short signals when it puts in a peak like that. ATR to the downside on decent volume. I'm going to try shorting the continuation at 28.50. We got the fill, 28.50 short. And it's accepting back on me a little bit here. Took it off for one tick profit. It's just making higher lows here, which I don't like for a continuation trade. I'd like it to make lower lows. That did give me the continuation, so had I stayed in it for a little longer, I would have gotten it, which I'm not upset about. I did follow my system there. But that is information for the next trade, as I might have to let these breathe just a little bit more. Might have to be just a little bit uncomfortable. We got a big boner candle, and unfortunately I got filled to the short side on it. I'm going to try the short for the ATR candle fade, 29.25 short. I feel very good about this trade, seeing as we're trending below the bottom VWAP very consistently. So I'm going to see if I can get the full reclaim on this down to 24s. I got 25s out of it, which was a pretty decent trade. But caveat there is that I took a big loss on the way up. So I took a 19 tick loss and then a 15 tick profit. So I was able to make some back on there, but overall down 4 ticks on it. So that first trade was a little too early, although it was technically part of my system. But I think it was avoidable. I think when we do review later, we're going to find that 19 tick loss was avoidable. But won't let that affect my trading too much. Still going to pay attention here and try to get the short continuation trades, as always. It does look like buyers are trying to step in here on the delta. You wouldn't know that by looking at the price action, because we are still just bleeding to the downside. But it does look like buyers are getting absorbed at this level. We are slip ranging very consistently to the downside here. Still far below the -1 VWAP. Pretty big volatility spike here. If I'm looking for pullbacks, I'm going to want around 21s. I'm going to try the short at 20.25. Build short. It is coming back on me a bit, so I took it off for a loss. Let's see if that was a good idea or not. I'm attempting to try 2 here at 20 evens short. It does appear to be accepting better down here. Took that one off for a loss. I'm looking to reposition for a try 2 on it. I'm going to try 23 short, but this is my last attempt. We could be entering mean reversion territory here. Some pretty good acceptance. I could see this going to 18s. We just defended those lows, so I do not want to see us accept up here for new highs. Yeah, it's pulling back on me a little bit more than I would like to. I took it off at 24, so for a 4 tick loss. I'm going to be hands off here because we now are trending up towards VWAP -1. I'm not going to take any long trades down here, but I might just be a little bit more hesitant on the short side. We got an ATR candle down. I'm going to short the pullback, 23.50 short. And I just want to see if we can get the continuation down through those previous reclaims, maybe down to 20s. Took it off at 20.5 for a decent win. But my executions are getting a little too aggressive here, so I am going to take a break just for a couple minutes. Yeah, so it looks like, yeah, a fair bit of P&L volatility at this point. My losses are definitely outweighing my wins, but I am able to keep up with the wins. I had a 15-tick win and a 12-tick win, which are pretty large wins in my book. I don't hit wins like that too often. Granted that I am taking big losses, so it does even out essentially. But that's kind of where I'm at on the session right now. I'm just going to take a short break, make a cup of coffee, and we'll see where we're at. My call for a mean reversion might end up playing true as we continue to trend up above the bottom VWAP band. So I will check back in a little bit, see where we're at. All right. So I'm back and I'm looking at the price action here. My first observation, at least in the last couple minutes, is that green ATR candles for longs are not working here. There's no precedence of them working. We're also super tight on the price action. The red ones aren't working either, honestly. Maybe if you're on the right side of the V trying to catch them, they will work. But we are super tight on the price action, so I want that to loosen up a little bit before I'm interested. And we're kind of just chopping around below VWAP. We may want to breach above it at some point. We've got a whole whack of reclaim above us. We got 2 ATR candles to the downside. We got range favor. I'm going to try the long at 29.75. A little bit of volatility down here at the range lows, but that can honestly work for me. And I'll take it off at 31. Got the fill at 31, but a very early exit as we currently trade 34s. So I think 31 was a very conservative exit, but it looks like we could have gotten the breach of range highs. I like the buying volume here. We've got an ATR candle to the upside. I'm going too long on it. And I took it off for a 1 tick loss because we're getting a little too volatile heading into 10 o'clock, top of the hour. Let's see if that was a good decision. Oh, that was actually a break even. I'll take it. We got an ATR candle down. It looks like we are testing the bottom of the range again. We did breach the top of the range on the upside, which could be a top tick for a continuation lower. I don't want to make a decision based off that, but if we start trending steadily below the 50 moving average, I will be interested in shorts. We breached the bottom of the range, and now we seem to be accepting below it. So I will be looking for short continuations down here. Almost got an ATR candle up, but it's not quite an ATR candle. I'll pulse check the short at 28, and it looks like it would have worked for a point. I want to refrain from taking trades like that, though, because I do really want the ATR candle or the entry signal. Looks like Russell just made a new low of day. ES and NQ may want to follow suit. Again, we almost put in an ATR candle to the upside, but it's not quite one, so I can't short it. But it would have worked if it was, which is useful information. All these ATR candles are is just pullbacks. They're just sharp pullbacks, and I find the sharp pullbacks work best. There's an ATR candle. I'm going to short it 26.25, and I'll take it off at 24.50. Or I think that's 7 ticks. Yeah, 7 tick profit. A little bit of a slip range here. I'm going to try the short again, 25.75. I'm going to take it off for a 1 tick profit, getting a little too tight, but in hindsight, I could have held that for the point. I'm hesitant to trade ATR candles in a slip range. We've got another ATR candle to the upside, and it's breaching the top side of the slip range, which changes the setup slightly. I'm going to take it off for 3 tick profit, because again, we're just getting a little too volatile. And we have news at 10:05, mortgage delinquencies, which I don't think is a huge deal, but it's enough of a deal for me to want to get out. So, good little slip range there. It treated me well. I got 3 profitable trades out of it. And now we have breached the downside. We have an ATR candle down, but it was on high selling delta, which is not a good setup because those shorts could get squeezed. There's the news, no effect. ATR candle up, I'm going to short 24.75. I'll take it off at 23.75 for the point. I had to chase there for a little bit, so I think I got 3 ticks profit instead of the point. But I will take that all day. The reason I didn't want to stay around in that one too long is because we just had news hit, and we were reclaiming into a prior range, and it looks like we are accepting into that prior range. So that is just a setup I don't really want to trade. That being said, though, we are accepting lower in hindsight, but I am definitely not going to chase anything. We've got a pretty heavy micro resistance here at 27. It's tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times now, and we're compressing into it. So there's the breach, and it looks like acceptance. So this could be a micro mean reversion. We could be mean reverting back up to 33s or thereabouts. So I'm just going to wait for a little bit more clarity. On the higher time frame, on the 30-second, it looks like we defended lows. So low of day is 17, and then the pivot there was 21s. So if we make a low of day and then we come back and test it again on buying delta, then there's a pretty good chance that those lows were just defended and that it's going to continue higher. That's not always the case. I am still short biased for the time being, but it's enough for me to want to take my pedal off the gas a little bit, so to speak. We do have a pretty solid resistance area here at 35s. We've tested it 1, 2, 3 times now, and it looks like we're trying to test it a 4th time, and we'll see if we break through. I think if we can get acceptance above that level, we will obviously be in an uptrend, and I will look for long trades. But until we break above that level, I'm still going to be short biased. There's the test. We tested 35.25. And it looks like it wants to accept up here. There's a new high, which doesn't necessarily mean anything. It could accept back under. Let's see what it does. And that's a clean breach, I would say. 38s. Still a little too early to tell, but I will be looking for long trades at this point. We are above VWAP. But I want to remember from earlier that those green ATR candles were not working for longs. So I do not want to trade those. I want to trade ATR candle pullbacks, preferably. We do have overnight low here that we've just tested. Could be a potential pivot point. Doesn't mean I'm going to short it, but it does mean that I have to watch out on longs. There's the test of overnight low. We could be setting up for an ATR pullback here, but as I just mentioned, I want to be super careful on that trade if I take it because of the potential for a pivot. So we're not above VWAP +1, which means shorts are on the table, and this is looking like a pivot. We got an ATR candle up. I'm going to try the short at 40.5 for the mean reversion. Obviously, the risk profile is different on these setups. I'm going to take it off here. That was weird. I tried to get the fill for 3 ticks profit, but I don't think I did, unfortunately, because of probably a rhythmic order. 1 tick profit is what it ended up giving me, which is unfortunate. I tried to get filled for 3 ticks there, but the order did not execute fast enough, which happens. It's part of the game. We are starting to range up here, which I don't like. So I think that short setup was worth a stab, but I think it's been invalidated by now because we are not pivoting. We are not accepting lower. Acceptance above overnight low, and we are back into the opening range. We got some pretty strong buy side delta here, and we've taken back almost all of the sell side delta, which is impressive. That being said, though, I am not in love with the trend right now. I want to see it develop a little bit more, so I'm just going to lay off the gas, finish making my cup of coffee. I'm pretty happy with where my session is at right now. I think we're slightly down on the day, but in terms of setup quality and discipline, I'm very happy with where I'm at currently. I will stick around and keep trading, but I can already tell today has been a little mentally draining, just because of the volatility. So I'm not going to push it. I'm not going to overstay my welcome today. I also have a life outside of trading that I want to live. So. We got a Fed speaker at 10:30, but otherwise no news. So ATR candle up. We do have some precedents of those working now. But we just put in two in a row on high delta, which can be capitulation territory, so I'm not going to want to long that quite yet. And we are above VWAP +1, so I am not shorting up here. I'm interested in longs only. I'd almost put in an ATR candle pullback, but not quite, so I'm not going to take it. But it would have technically worked, and it was technically an ATR candle pullback. So we got two examples of precedents there. We got another ATR candle up. I'm going to long 46.50. And there's not a crazy amount of buying delta on it either, so I'm pretty comfortable with this trade. But it is pulling back on me quite a bit here. I took it off for, I believe, 3-tick loss. But it looks like that was an early cut because it did proceed to go in my favor there. But that is fine. That's just how the cookie crumbles with discretionary trading. Sometimes you're right, sometimes you're wrong. Nice little slip range playing out here. Those were working for me earlier in the session, but I do want pullbacks. I don't want to be long on the top of the slip range. I want to be long at the bottom of the slip range, which looks like about 45.50s. So let's see if we get it. I'm not going to bid 45.50, but I will hover. Looks like it breached the top side on high buying delta, so I'm not going to long up here. We breached the opening range high just by a point or so, and now we're accepting back below. That could be signs of a pivot, so any longs I take, I'm just going to have to use extreme caution. We got the 45.50 test, but I did not trade it. The environment has changed. We got an ATR candle down. But given the current context, I'm not going to trade that ATR candle. When we breach an important level like that on high buying delta, chances are those late buyers are now getting squeezed. And if they're getting squeezed, that means we could trade lower. Got another ATR candle down. And we are trending lower here. We're back below the VWAP +1. So shorts are technically on the table, but I don't necessarily want to trade them. We did get a decent test of a prior range at 40, 41. So it could be a pivot area to trade back up higher. We've got an ATR candle up. I'm going to bid 44.50 long. Got the fill, 44.50 long. It is coming back on me a fair bit here, but it's reclaiming back up. So I want to see it stay up here, and it's trending back lower, so I cut that for a loss. That is good information, though. So those green ATR candles, bidding the bottom of those does not appear to be working today. Which, granted, I did make that observation earlier. But I did have a couple areas of precedence to take that trade, so it's not necessarily a bad trade. ATR candle down. I'll pulse check the long at 42.75, and it looks like that would have worked. Like a point, roughly. That being said, though, we are compressing into a support area, which means we could breach to the downside. Yeah, I mean, with the compression here, I'm pretty confident in shorts. I will take short trades if they present themselves. We are back below VWAP +1, so according to my system, I can take short trades here, but I should keep them tight. I don't want to hold these for the world. We are accepting below 42s, which is the support resistance area, and still compressing. Green ATR candle, I'm going to short 42. But it looks like I'm getting squeezed here. I'm going to take that off for, I think, a 7-tick loss. We put in another ATR candle. I'm going to short it at 44 for a try 2 of the same idea. And I took another loss, so that is my 2 attempts at an idea. We were also very close to being above VWAP there. The trade would have worked had I held it a little bit longer, it looks like, which is important information, obviously. So my read is good right now. My read is very good. That trade did work. The execution was just a little sloppy. My first entry was too early, and then my second entry, I cut it too soon. Had I held it just a little bit longer, it would have worked. That was a good entry. I'm still interested in shorts here. I think there is a good chance that we accept lower. ATR candle down. I'm going to sell 39.25 short. And it does look like it's accepting lower. I'm going to try and work an exit at 37.50. And I got it for a 7-tick win. So that fixes some of our mistakes. I do have to change the tag on some of these. We are back below the prior support resistance area at 35s. Looks like we're trying to put an ATR candle in, but we just can't quite get enough width. There's an ATR candle down, but it looks, I don't really want to trade it because that looks like a peak, and if we take that peak back, I think that's bad news. I do not want to be short if we take that peak back. There's the ATR candle up. I'm going to short 39. I'm pretty confident I can hold this thing through the reclaim down. But obviously I don't want to hold on to it forever. We got another ATR candle up, slightly above me. ATR candle down, back into my entry. And now we are accepting below. I'm back in profit on this trade. I took about 2 points of heat on this, and I think I can get 2 points of reward on it as well. So 37.25 exit for 7-tick win. I think that is pretty good considering. And are we back below VWAP? Not quite. We've actually bounced off VWAP, but I don't put any sort of thought into that. I don't think VWAP bounces are reliable. I think we could easily continue lower here. We've got an ETR candle down. I will short for the continuation. 37.50 short build. And I'm going to take that off for a 1-tick loss because it started making higher lows on me and higher highs. In hindsight, it would have worked as it's now hitting my target. Speaking of which, we put in a new ATR candle down, which I will bid, or sorry, which I will sell. But I'm going to call that gone. We did put in another one, which I can chase a little bit, but if we put in a third one, and we just did, I'm going to pull that. So I think that trade is over. So we are back below VWAP. We've got a very big reclaim above us. I do not want to short until we invalidate that reclaim. I don't really want to have that on my backside. We are accepting back below that 35 support resistance area. ATR candle up. I'm going to short 33.25. A little bit of an early entry. I am taking a bit of heat on it, but it is still reclaiming. The price action still looks like it's in my favor. I will move a stop up just to secure some profit, and I will take this off at 32 for, I believe, a 6-tick profit. 5-tick profit, my bad. Looks like we could be setting up a slip range. I'll be interested in taking another short around 33s, 34s. Waiting for a pullback. ATR candle down, but it's on high sell volume, so I am not going to take the trade. Those sellers could get squeezed. Looks like we're trying to put in an ATR candle, but it's not quite getting enough height. Again, trying to put one in, but it turned into a wick. It got sold too fast. It looks like it wants to give me the 34s, but I will not trade it unless it gives me an ATR candle entry. Still waiting for the entry opportunity here. We are now trading point of control on the RTH volume profile. And shorting at 34 would be the edge of that high volume node. So this is a pretty high conviction trade if it'll give it to me. Although we are compressing to the downside, which unfortunately means it might break without giving us the entry. But that's fine. I'm not going to chase it. So a bit of an ATR candle up here. I'm going to try the short at 31, and I'll take it at 30 for a quick point. That wasn't necessarily the pullback I wanted, so I'm not going to hold this for the break. Although it does appear to be giving it to me. Pullbacks are still on the table here. I'm going to short 31. I got filled 30.75. And I'll take that off. 28.50 immediately went in my favor on a big surge of volume there. So let's see where I'm at. That was a 9-tick win, which definitely puts us in a good spot. It's putting us in the right direction. I'm going to check P&L here. I don't like doing that all the time, but I think in this case it is warranted. And we're sitting at break even on the day, which, considering all the P&L volatility we had, and considering the bad day we had yesterday, um, I think I'm going to call that a session. Um, I do technically have the time to sit here and keep trading, but we all know how that goes. Um, that could turn into trouble, especially you pull off getting back to break even, and then you run into that contentment issue of like, but what if I can make today a profitable day, and then you have 30 more executions, which, speaking of which, I'm sitting at 28 executions. That's a lot. That's quite a lot of executions. So lots of review to do, lots of executions on the day. Um, I'm back to break even before commissions, but I have a feeling that after commissions I'm going to be down on the day, which is fine. I think today was an awesome learning experience. I learned so much about the versatility of my system, and I learned a lot about what not to do trading it. I think we're going to see in the coming review that a lot of these trades have really, really good lessons in them. So I hope to apply those lessons moving forward. Yeah, I'm looking at price action here, and there is the potential for continuation, but I'm not going to trade it. I'm going to end my session here and jump into review. So I'll catch you guys later.